Before we start, if you're thinking about buying your first adventure bike, but your budget is capped at 5 grand, then this video is literally made for you. We're about to show you 5 absolute beasts that'll get you off-road and across continents without selling your kidneys on the black market. And trust me, some of these bikes are so good that I genuinely don't understand how manufacturers keep making money at these prices. Anyway, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which adventure bike is perfect for your next epic journey. Let's jump right in. Number 1 is the Kawasaki Versys-X 300. Dudes, this little monster is basically a baby adventure bike that punches way above its weight. It comes with 39 horsepower from a 300cc parallel twin, which sounds weak on paper, but trust me, it's actually plenty for adventure riding. The fuel take is absolutely massive at 7.3 gallons, meaning you can do some serious highway mileage between fill-ups. What really gets me excited about this bike is the upright riding position and the 8.3 inches of ground clearance. It's nimble, it's efficient, and it handles like a dream on both pavement and dirt. You can find a used one from 2023 or even 2024 models sitting right around the 5K mark, sometimes even cheaper. If you're new to adventure riding and don't want a massive bike that'll intimidate you, this is your answer. Number 2, the Suzuki V-Strom 250. Okay, so hear me out. This bike has been around forever, which means there are tons of used ones out there at incredible prices. You can grab a solid unit with moderate miles for under 4 grand easily. It's got a 250cc parallel twin engine producing around 24 horsepower. But what makes it special is the reliability that Suzuki is known for. The V-Strom 250 will literally run forever if you just change the oil. It has enough power to cruise highways comfortably, a good seating position for adventure touring, and all the practicality you need. Plus, the parts are dirt cheap, and finding a mechanic who knows this bike is easier than finding coffee in America. Number 3 is the Royal Enfield Himalayan. This bike is absolutely insane value for money. For under 5 grand, you're getting a 411cc engine, actual adventure-style looks, and a solid reputation for long-distance reliability, especially in developing countries. The Himalayan is basically a stripped-down, no-nonsense adventure bike. It's rugged, it's simple, and it's specifically designed for rough riding conditions. You get a massive 15-liter fuel tank, a 9.2-inch ground clearance, and a riding position that's perfect for off-road exploration. Sure, it's not as refined as the Japanese bikes, but there's something beautiful about its simplicity. The Indian market absolutely loves this bike for long-distance touring. Number 4, the CB500X. Now, if you can stretch your budget just a tiny bit, you might catch a used CB500X from a couple of years back right around 5 grand. This is where things start getting serious. You get a 471cc parallel twin engine with almost 47 horsepower. It's highway capable, genuinely comfortable for long rides, and the fuel consumption is so good that you'll wonder if it actually has an engine. The CB500X has exceptional wind protection with a tall windscreen, quality forks, a grown-up riding position, and enough power to actually make highway merging something you don't need to think twice about it. If you find a clean used one, this is a legitimate adventure machine. And finally, number 5, the Yamaha Tenere 700. Okay, this one might be hard to find under 5 grand unless you're looking at older model years, but hear me out, because if you catch a good deal on a 2020 or 2021 model, this is literally where the adventure bike magic happens. The Tenere 700 is what the industry calls a middleweight adventure bike. It has 89 pounds of actual torque, a sophisticated suspension, and genuine off-road capability that not all adventure bikes can claim. It's powered by a 687cc parallel twin engine, producing around 72 horsepower. You're looking at a bike that's equally at home blasting down the highway at 80 miles per hour as it is crawling through desert terrain. If you can find one, grab it, because this is genuinely one of the best adventure bikes ever made. So there you have it, guys. 5 adventure motorcycles under $5,000 that will literally transform how you explore this country. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe to FastLane Moto.